Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to check whether your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra original or not. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's check IMEI. Open keypad on the phone, and here you need to type in asterisk, octoforb, then 0, 6 and octoforb. And you will see several numbers here. So take a screenshot first because we're gonna need it later. And now check the first number with the number on the phone box. If it matches, then it's a good sign that your phone is original. Now let's check if the test mode works. So open the phone again, and here type in asterisk octoforb, then 0 asterisk octoforb. This test mode opens where you can check how different functions works. So if it opens, then probably your phone is original. And the last one, let's check IMEI on the official website. Let me go back first. So open gallery, and here find this photo which we have taken earlier before, and you need to copy this IMEI number by pressing and holding and dragging this slider. And now click copy. And now we are gonna open Google and type in imei.info. So open this website and paste this number right here. But first you need to confirm that you are a human. So click here, and now quickly pass this CAPTCHA test. And now we can click on check to check this IMEI number. So if the data matches, then your phone is original. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.